Hey everyone, in today's video, we are exploring a powerful hosting provider called Database Mart. Database Mart is a US-based company with nearly 2 decades of experience, known for offering affordable hosting solutions and wide range of services, including Windows and Linux VPS hosting, dedicated server, GPU server for AI, ML, and heavy computing. What I really like about the Database Mart is their affordable pricing. You can start with a basic Windows VPS for just a few dollars per month, making it perfect for developers, freelancers, or small businesses. And here's the best thing, that Database Mart is celebrating their 28th anniversary, and they have rolled out some crazy deals on VPS, dedicated servers, and even GPU servers. The prices are honestly super cheap and very affordable. They have got 4 hot plans that really stand out. Linux VPS starts at just $2.58 a month with 2 cores, 4 GB memory, and 60 GB SSD. Another plan is Windows Desktop VPS. It's just a bit more at $2.89 a month with the same setup. The professional dedicated server with SSD kicks off at $65.40 a month. And it's seriously powerful. There is a GPU dedicated server with RTX 3060 Ti, perfect for deep learning, Android emulator hosting, or even game hosting for only $107 a month. And that's not all. There are a bunch of other discounted plans too. If you are new, you can try out for 1 day free trial. Just hit up their sales team and they will guide you through the steps. Check out all the details here. So let's search for Database Mart. And you can see this is the website called databasemart.com. Open this. Here, we're going to buy the VPS Windows Desktop plan. Okay. So go to the pricing and you can see the VPS hosting. Select this. You can choose the plan according to your requirement. Okay. I'm going to use the Windows Desktop VPS. And let's click on the order now. As you can see here, they are celebrating their 20th anniversary. So you can have this plan in very low cost. So I'm going to just click on the order now. Once you make a purchase, you have all the details like IP, username, password. Once you purchase this, we need to set up. If you're using the Windows, you need to open the remote desktop app. But if you're using the MacBook, then you need to download one app that is called Windows app. And just search your Windows app. This one. Previously that called remote desktop. Okay, so we need to download this Windows app and open this app. Now you can see this is the remote desktop app. We need to click on the plus icon and click on the add PC. Now add here the IP address with the port number, and then you need to add the credentials. So click on add credential, and here you can see the username and password. Username, we need to put the administrator, and the password we have. Okay, so let's put this and click on add. Once you add this, you can select the user like this, and now click on the add option. And just double click on this to connect to this server and continue. Now we connected here. Let's open my computer here. Okay, and I'm going to use the Windows E. Okay, like Command E, and just right click on this PC and let's see the properties. And you can see the installed memory RAM is 8 GB and every details you will get here. Now let's close this window. And you can see this is the storage we have right now. Now let's see how we can host our website to this server. So it's very simple. So first of all, we need to just search here the server manager desktop app. Just open this and let's click on the manage. And then click on the add roles and features. And here click on the next, then next. And now yes, select this next. And then we need to select here web server, this one. Just select this. Now click on add features and then click on next. And then yes, next, next, and yes, next. Cool. Now we need to click on install. So we need to wait some seconds. Once this installed, then we can host our website. Now we have installed the web server. Now open the file manager, and here we are going to host our file. So open the C drive. As you can see, this is the folder. Open this. And you can see the www root. Open this. And here we need to paste our all files. So I already have one index file. So I have that index.html file. That's my website here like this. So I'm going to host this to the server. Copy this and go to the Windows server, and here we need to paste that file. Cool. Now we need to just open the PowerShell. Okay. So just search here PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and open this. And we need to paste one command. I'll give you that command in the description. Paste that and just enter. And it's done. Now let's open the website. Now let's open our IP. And just wait some second, and you can see here, this is our website. This website is live now. So that's how easy it is to host our website on the VPS using Database Mart. They are reliable, cost effective, and they have solution for everyone, from beginners looking for a small VPS to professionals needing powerful GPU and dedicated server. Right now they are celebrating their 28th anniversary, and their special promotion are only available until the end of September. So don't miss out. If you are interested, I'll give you the link in the description. You can check out their latest plan and offers. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.